All right, typically today's my day off and it's a day with the fam, but has been a change of plans. We're gonna take him to daycare. I'm gonna get my workout on and get some much needed work done, like finish a couple projects, deliver them, because that is the most important part, is the delivery. And this has been past due, overdue, right? And I'm looking to get it off of my shoulders ASAP. So today's the day we're gonna get that done. Right? Right, hands in. Hands in. Break. Yo. So over here at Links, and a lot of you hit me up asking, where is this Patrick guy, the star of the show? And look at him, he's right over here. What we doing, Patrick?
Doing some breathing, getting my left adductor going, some right-left protractions.
All right, so we're going to, well, I've started my workout already. I'm going to, he's still on the Friends contrast training, so I'm going to just poke my head in his session and do some of that work too, because he is doing unilateral upper body. So we'll see how this goes, but I'm just getting the bench going and then hopping on his session as well.
Our cars, we did a little positional breathing, getting that groin going, reach in, protract, retract, breathing, 5 seconds in, 5 seconds hold, 5 seconds exhale, 5 seconds hold, rinse and repeat, baby.
Rinse and repeat. All right, tribe. So Pat and I have been working on this program for the longest time, and it's basically, he's holding the project up right now. Like, he's ton of excuses, yada yada yada. Only looking out for his gains, right?
Always.
So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna put you on blast, all right? So at the time of this recording, how long do you think it's gonna take us to finish the program that we started, huh?
4 weeks.
All right, so 4 weeks from the time of this recording, we should have the program ready for you guys, all right? So
4 weeks, baby, 4 weeks.
He's held accountable. We're going to show you a little sneak peek of what's going to be in the program with his training session today. So you'll see what to look forward to and how you can make them gains, right? Right? Let's get it.
Oh, that sucks, Cease. I haven't done that as my eccentric. Woo! Woo! Negative single arms. Single arm slip. Oh, my bad. Edit. Put that in the edited. Obviously.
This is raw, man, raw.
Edit that for me. Here we go.
So we got 4 stations of 3 people. You got a boxing station, you got the pit, cardio station, and what do we need? A resistance station?
Strength.
Strength.
Yeah. Because this is like more power over here, and this is like, so it could be a combination of power. This could be agility right where you are, and then we can have cardio and strength. Yeah.
So I got a strength station.
Yeah.
Strength station is, and it's of 3, right? So we got thrusters, squats. Give me one more.
Swings. Yep.
So swings, squats.
So Ron and I are brainstorming on trying to take this boxing class to a whole nother level. So right now we're doing some concepts and layout design of the class and whatnot. So he just built some sort of crazy jungle gym system right here in the middle. And then right now we're just trying to put the pieces together and see how they all lay out. So stay tuned. If you want to know more, come over the links and give it a try, because we're going to be rolling it out as soon as we possibly can. All right, so stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Squats. Right? This could be something like this. Right? Something like that. And this one could just be burpees all the way down the line and back. Right? As much as you can get done in 40 seconds. So here it's going to be hammer slam, box jump. And it all flows. Right? Alright, I think we got this.
All right, we was able to dig something.
Right?
No, I was talking to the cam.
Aspects covered. That'll make the class fun, plus the energy in the class.
The tunes, yep, and the tunes, the big tunes.
Big tunes, energy, and everybody's gonna keep moving, right? The fact that there's so much to do within your grouping for 3, I think is gonna make it fun.
You think we're gonna have to kick it up back to an hour as opposed to 45 minutes? Yo,
I'm fine with that.
it's gonna be legit, man. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, because the 45 minutes is gonna fly, like by warm up and all that, and then explaining,
warm up, at least
and
5
then
minutes, and I gotta explain it.
explain the exercise and all that.
Flying.
Yeah.
So this could be something like this.
So, are you gonna be doing these Tuesday nights?
No, this is not my boxing class.
Oh, it's like a whole new.
Different. That's
Oh.
just incorporating boxing. So it's
Oh.
like a hit class that's incorporating boxing.
Oh, okay.
So it's just.
So what day would that be? Or what day are you looking? Like,
So it's basically a class that's just gonna keep you moving and just burn maximum calories. That's the point.
all right, man.
What we call it, 500 burn, the 500 burn, the playhouse, whatever you want to call it. I just want it to be fun, and I want you to get your ass kicked at the same time. So I'm gonna bring a hammer in here, and we can just set it up. Movements in the bike.
Yep.
Station, strength station, boxing station. Right? Constant movement. We got 3 rounds of each. In each round, in each pocket, we got 3 rounds. It's gonna be fun, man. It's keeping everybody moving. Maximum amount of calories we want to burn is 400 to 500 calories. Right? So it's a fast-paced class. A lot of sweat involved. Very minimal rest time. I just want an hour ass kick session, man. That's gonna be fun.
I literally had to jet up out of there and get to the car because my meter was about to run out. And Boston's meter maids, they don't be playing out here. I ain't trying to get me another $60 ticket. Anyway, I'm about to be on my way to Target and pick up August some baby swim diapers for his very first swim class tomorrow. So going to head over there, grab me some lunch, a post-workout meal. Haven't figured out what I want to get yet because my cravings really isn't there yet, but we'll see because I just finished my my little muscle milk, so we'll see what happens in the next half hour. All right, let's go.
Baby,
Don't make me watch. If I can rock, little mama. Every time I mention you, I say Yamaha, Yamaha, oh Yamaha. All right, we made it to Target. Now the mission is strictly to get some swim diapers for August. And you know, Target is a very dangerous place because there are all those shiny things that you don't need, but then miraculously want. So I'm gonna try to avoid those things, and we'll see how I do. Let's see here. We need the size 4. Mission failed, guys. I'm not even gonna bother showing you guys what I got because I'm a little embarrassed, but I challenge anyone to go into Target and just buy one thing. It's impossible, all right? That's an impossible mission. You don't just go to Target and grab one thing. Anyway, I'm done here. I'm about to go grab something to eat. Ooh, that dream bumping. About to go grab me something to eat and head home and get to work. Let's get it. Just woke up from my mid-afternoon nap. Man, definitely an essential part to my day. And I've been slacking upon that too, because sometimes midday I would come back and just start editing some videos or learning more about this software that I'm editing on, and I would just skip this whole napping process. But then when I do take that nap and I wake up from it, I feel really good, you know, and this energy is just revives me, so I'm like ready to take more action. So napping is definitely something that I need to practice more of, especially during this midday, and then just kind of put everything else and build everything around that, because some days I wake up as early as 4:30 in the morning and I'm just moving, meditating, and then just like my day starts right then and there, and I don't sleep until like 10 p.m. you know, and I'm just super fried. So instead of just like burning out, just, you know, take my little halftime mid-afternoon nap and then wake up ready to dominate, you know. So definitely something that's very essential and I need to practice more of. So we'll see what I can create once I just continue to adopt this whole mid-afternoon nap thing. All right, we are back at the crib with this little tiger. I need to give a special shout out. I need to give a special shout out to our daycare nanny, or I don't know the official title, what you call them, but normally on Fridays we have him for the full day, but today was like a special occasion for both of us, getting tons of work done, and she stepped up to the plate to watch him for the day so we can continue to pursue our dreams. You know, she's definitely an unsung hero, especially when we're here in Boston with no family members. You know, his grandma and grandpa is in Salt Lake and in NYC, so help is definitely, you know, limited. But that daycare woman, you're the real MVP. You're the real MVP. All right, kid, let's go and play. Let's have fun. Yeah. The type of night that this is, it calls for. Wait, you hear it? You hear it? My beautiful, dark, twisted fantasy. A classic album by Kanye West. I know you guys are hating on Kanye right now, but you cannot deny the classic that is that album. We have sliders on deck for tonight, by the way. We're gonna vibe out, make these sliders, and call it an evening, you know. Friday night, settle in, watch a few Netflix and chill. Maybe get lucky. Oh shit! Who knows? Oh, Ricky Rose. Anyway, peeps, I'm gonna sign off here. Gotta get ready for another day, right? Till the next time.